How to head tracking in CapCut PC. Import the video clip into the timeline. Change the aspect ratio of your video to 9:16. Drag and drop a grid directly on top of the video layer. You can download this from Google. Scale the grid layer up so it covers the video. Scale up the video from the Basic tab to cover up the black spaces while adjusting. Select the video layer and checking the position keyframe. Align the head with a specific point on the grid as accurately as possible. Add a keyframe every few frames ahead and align the head to the point while also scaling the clip occasionally till the end of the video. After completely positioning the keyframe, delete the grid. Let's check it. And that's how you can do head tracking in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.